Welcome to the Generative AI podcast. We're taking a look at the effects of AI in development. That's programming by everyday people because of AI, because of OpenAI, because of Zyra, because of Wix ADI, because of all of those AI tools that are available for development without prior coding background and knowledge and degrees. Those people are going to see an opportunity for a wealth transfer from big technology companies like Microsoft and Google and things of that nature. So I'm about to let you listen in until Marcus talk about this very paradigm shift, and then I'm going to interject my 2 cents. Just listen.
And when looking at this, you have the programmers and coders, which right now have a big stack of money that goes from giant companies like Microsoft, Google, and all these others, and that's where the stack of money is. Now you have AI, which means the companies that are using AI are now going to get this stack of money back to the companies, and the programmers are going to be sad because they are not going to have the money. Now, what does this mean for us? This means for us, we can learn that we can use AI to program. We don't need to hire fancy programmers. We don't need to shell out a bunch of money, and we can take some of the money that is in this stack for ourselves. I'll show you exactly how this works.
Yeah, the only problem with this wealth transfer talk is that we gotta pay attention to actually realize this wealth transfer. Who will see this transfer of wealth actually? It's only going to be those who are paying attention, those who are looking for opportunity. Okay, so what I mean by that is that everybody's not looking to gain from the AI the way that it's being expressed. It's almost like a gem hidden in plain sight, you know, as if you don't realize it because you're not looking for it. You don't even see that it's there because you're too busy consuming. So most of the consumers are going to be consumed by capitalism, by inflation, by those things that are happening in the world that are being controlled by those who have the power or the wealth. So it's always going to be this, cat and mouse chase because of the fact that the cat only knows how to be a cat and the mouse only knows how to be a mouse. Now, when the mouse started having cat tendencies, it might start benefiting from, some, you know, cat benefits. But like, to be honest with you, it's not really that black and white. I wish it were, but I do see the potential. I do, and I've been looking, and I think maybe because I've been looking that I see, you know, what's going on. And that's how I even fell upon that talk, is because I am looking. I'm looking for the enhancements of generative AI to be that ground breaking wall destroying you know the destroying the barrier to entry, destroying the things that prevented prior to those layman persons that would attempt to try to code or try to do what they needed to do to get their idea in the mainstream, to be broadcasted in the cloud, to be seen. You understand? That's the only reason that this wealth transfer occurs. So it's still going to be a limited amount of people that are going to benefit, that will catch the wave, that will see what needs to be seen. You know, I would admonish those who are seeking to help others to see if they want to see more people be benefactors of this wealth transfer. Quite realistically, it's possible, but quite realistically, it's not likely that a great majority of folks are going to see this and benefit from the wealth transfer. And that's all I have to say for that in this episode of Generative AI podcast. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.